Layanlah saya, Sir.
Khairul Azri 19.
Layanlah saya, Sar. Episod kali ni kita akan buat aktiviti di luar rumah. Saya akan tunjukkan suasana air terjun dekat dalam kampung saya. Sangat indah, cantik, menawan, lagi anggun, tampan dan dah.
Mika jangan pelik lah sebab apa kami ada kuasa macam tu. Sebab selalunya kami berlatih dekat planet Namek. Cuma hari ni je dia nak berlatih dekat bumi.
Saya akan bermalam di situ dalam perkhemahan yang sangat epik. Epik padahal kemah biasa.
Enjoy this video.
Janganlah, saya malu lah. Apa itu rasa aku dah? Tengok viral dah jangan begitu. Aku tak mahu.
Aduh. Malu-malu pula dia.
Saya pun melukis sampailah malam.
Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep. Was slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today.
Senyum.
Tak gitu lah, jangan tahu waktu aku balik ni kau tambah buat camping-camping lah.
Bet you never know. Say we have the power, but there's things we touch the road. Tell them say we ready, clip them on the cut she load. Shoulda know say we no regular. Anything we ready for. Bet you never know. Bet you never know. Nah, go take no talk, I beg no pardon, that's for sure. Bet you never know. Bet you never know. How we are like the badness, we are like the glue. How we are like the badness, we are like the
Tiba bateri pula habis. Power bank pun habis bateri juga. Saya pun sambunglah lukis dekat rumah.
multinational badness on the panel. Think a ramping thing, a top ranking thing. Hear that? Bet you never know. have the power, baddest thing we touch the road. Tell them say we ready, clip them on the cut she load. Shoulda know say we no regular, anything we ready for. Bet you never know, bet you never know.
Jadi macam mana video tadi? Gempak tak? Boleh lah. Takkanlah tak boleh kan? Yasa Kanino Magatama.